Hello, so this is a tutorial on how to create a product once you are a vendor on Lovanhope. So as you can see, I'm already logged into the vendor dashboard, and here I've clicked on products. So here's where you'll be able to see all of your products. You can add products here, but actually I'd recommend adding products from the back end, not the front end, just because it's easier to see that way. But this is still a really great tool for managing and quickly editing. So you can add, edit, and delete products here, but it's easier if you go using the other way. So I'll show you how to use the other way right now. So if you go to a voucher check, this will take you to the place to check vouchers by searching up their codes. But as you can see, it also takes you to this back end. And if you go over here to products, you can add in different products. So I'm going to add a new product just to take us through this process. So what I'm going to do is create a 50% off boba drink. So 50% off boba drink. And it's lagging a little bit, but it'll catch up. Now here we can add in a description. So I'll just say this is a yummy drink. Okay, nice and simple. On the right side, we can see we can add in an image. So this is the thumbnail for when people scroll through Lovanhope's storefront. This is what they're going to see associated with your deal. So definitely set an image. You can upload files, but I already have one in the media library, so I'm just going to set that. You can also upload other images if you'd like to create a product gallery, but for this purpose, I won't be doing that. And then down here, we have our product categories. So if you don't categorize it, it'll automatically be uncategorized or kind of miscellaneous, but it's easier for people to find your deals if you categorize it. So definitely do that if you can. You can create product tags and then choose a location. Is it in Houston, Sugarland, the Woodlands? Choose one. Here is a way where you can edit your SEO so that it shows up when people are typing it up on Google. So go ahead and edit that as you wish. And then here we'll go down to the product data. So, and a really important thing to note is that you need to switch the product data category from simple subscription to group buy. So this will enable people to buy your deals at a discount and redeem them. Another thing to note is that you need to click downloadable. If you don't do this, then your customers aren't going to get the PDF vouchers that they need to redeem at your servers once they are ready. So once you click that, as you can see, the left side didn't have PDF voucher, and now it does. Well, there you go. Okay, and on this group by section, there's a lot of different things you can change. So minimum required purchases, I'll just say 1. Maximum, so how much of your deal do you want to sell? I'll say a nice 150. Maximum per user if you want to limit that. Deal price, regular price, savings, custom text, etc. This is all pretty self-explanatory. So I'll just say the deal price is $5. So you can buy it off Lovanhope's website for $5, and the regular price is $10, meaning that you can get that at my physical store. If you want to add anything else about the highlight or the fine print, you can do that here as well. Next, you can go to general, shipping, products, attributes, advanced. These are all things that are optional, but you can definitely explore to add more to your product. Now let's go to PDF voucher. So this is where all the settings regarding how the vouchers are sent to the people, how they were redeemed, that's all here. You don't actually have to change anything in these settings. These are all set to work properly at default, but if you'd like to customize it a little bit more, you're definitely free to do so. If you go over here to vendor, this is where you can upload your logo, your website. So I'm just going to put lovanhope.org. If you have any instructions, say like redeem at front desk, an address for your business. If you want to send it as a gift to someone, you can have an email to them. So these are all great tools for customizing your deal here. And then another short description. I'll just say, this is nice. Okay, so now we're ready. We have everything filled out, or everything that's required filled out. We have our categories, we have our names, titles, etc. We're ready to publish. So once you're published, you'll see that it'll load, and we're going to go take a look at that actually on the front end to see what that looks like. So this is taking a little bit to load, but just give it one moment. Hold on. Okay. So first I drafted it. Okay. And now we're ready to view the product. Okay. So if we view the product here, this is what it's going to look like on the customer end once they go and see your deal. So let's go back to the vendor's dashboard just so you can see how it looks from the front end. So if you go back to the dashboard and you go back to products, you'll see that the product you made is right there, exactly as you made it. So like I said, you can easily edit, delete, view, add products here, but it's a much simpler process and it's easier to look at and everything loads faster if you do it on the back end. So this is an option if you want to quickly change something, but like I said, I'd recommend going through the voucher check vendor settings through the back end. So that's the tutorial on how to create a product. I hope this was helpful and let me know if you have any questions.